I wanted to give you yet another example to show you that what exactly AI Studio can build inside the high-level platform. This is built on the AI Studio platform, and I'll quickly give you a glimpse of how exactly it's working, right? So I've probably used 30, 40 prompts in order to make sure that I can customize it to the T and then get good results based on what my findings are. So I'm going to give you a quickly overview of the entire site. Loads, let me quickly refresh the entire site. This is what it looks like when somebody loads the entire screen with beautiful hover effect on the logo. You have home, about, project, services, contactors. You also have this beautiful gradient effect, glass liquid effect, request code, and this beautiful hero section that changes its graphics or photos every single few seconds. So what it does is if you hover on these particular options, it's going to give you some examples of what it looks like at the backend, right? And also there are some kind of navigation arrows when clicked, they also give you the instant response at the backend, right? It's a beautiful effect designed on the high-level studio platform that is crazy good. When I first scroll down, I will be able to see these kind of premium structures. Let me quickly refresh that once again to show it to you, right? Structures designed in a way that looks absolutely freedom. I've seen a lot of people complain about creating generic AI slop sites. I believe the thing that you're not putting out is the creative direction that's going to get you these kinds of beautiful results. Now think about it. If you could create something like this on AI Studio or build apps, you could probably sell it for thousands of dollars to your customers, but it hardly takes you 2 to 3 days in order to build this with an AI agency. This kind of effects, this kind of beautiful responses in your high level solution, I think clients will be ready to pay thousands of dollars for. And I think high level did a pretty good job there. It's really impressive of what it can build and the speed at which this can build. I'm quickly going to show you as to how you can create something premium in terms of right? So as you can see, I have been using a lot of prompts, right? And some of the main reasons as to why people are not able to get good premium site, why they are getting AI slop is that and preference. All they want, hey, duplicate the site for me. Hey, I want a real estate site. I want a coaching landing page. That's not how AI works. AI can think, but AI cannot strategize for you as of now. AI does not have its own mind for you, but it can do the heavy lifting. So you still have to use your mind to make sure that you get the desired output the way you want, the way your mind has thought. So that you can transfer your thought process into your AI. The way to do it is giving them some examples, giving them the entire architecture of how you want this to be built. You need to give them a complete blueprint of this is what I'm looking for in order to get the exact results. Most people only prompt it a few times and then they leave it. One of the reasons as to why this not will work for you is that you do not go section by section. See this, I probably spend hours just creating and magnifying each of these sections, right? It takes a lot of time and probably a lot of prompts in order to get this correct and nailing down it to the T, right? Most people might not even interact with it, right? They'll probably iterate a few times and then they leave. This is the problem where they lose. If you want to build premium sites using high-level AI Studio, you need to be ready to sit down for a few days and iterate it to the T. Use it, maximize it, and nurture it in a way that it gives you the exact result that your mind has thought and believed it so can produce. That's pretty much what I wanted to say. Share me about how finding the AI Studio, and I'll be able to see if that's something. Thank you so much for watching the video. Thank you, high level team, for this amazing tool of AI Studio. I'm currently exploring over 30 plus sites being built on AI Studio. Hopefully, we will be able to give you some more examples on that. I'll see you soon.